In a diagram, they find out this square area. What is the area of this red zone area? This is the 3 cent unit and this is the 12 unit. So now we take, this is the theta, this is the theta, and this is the 90 degree, and this is the obviously 90 degree, and this is the 90 degree, and this is the theta. So this angle is always the theta. If this is the 90 degree, this is the 90 degree, this is the 90 degree. So this is angle is theta. So now from here we can write that tan theta from this triangle, is tan theta equal to, and this is the square area. So we take this side, this is the x, this is the x, this is the x, and this is the x, and this is the x. And now tan theta in this square, in this diagram, and there is the tan theta equal to, this is the opposite side, angle of opposite side is the x, and this is the, so this is the 12. So tan theta equal to this, and from here there is the tan theta in a triangle, this triangle, there is the tan theta. So tan theta, there is the opposite side of the theta, this is the 3, and this is the adjustment angle, this is the x. So there, from this triangle we get this, and from this triangle we get this, and tan theta equal to this x by 12, and this is the 3 by x. So here the x square is equal to, this is the 12 into 3 is 36. So this area of square area is x square, and this x square is equal to the 36. So the area of the red zone area is 36. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.